Hey there! In VS Code, we can perform a text search within an open editor by using Ctrl F, as well as across the workspace by using Ctrl Shift F. Starting with version 1.89, we can also perform a quick search. There are several methods by which we can use quick search. Let's find out. Press down Ctrl Shift P, type in quick search and run this search quick search command. Then a new window will pop up and here you type in the text you want to search for. In my case, let's search for current password. And this is the most tedious way of using the quick search, which leads us to the next method. Press down Ctrl and P, type in %, followed by the text you want to search for. Not bad, but there is an even faster way. Let's find out. The third way would be to set up a keybind. To set up a keybind, press down Ctrl Shift P, type in Open Keyboard Shortcuts, and run the Preferences Open Keyboard Shortcuts command. In here, search for workbench.action.quick text search. And now double click on this column to set up a keybind. I'm going for Ctrl F, press enter. Now coming back to the editor, you can press the keybind, Ctrl F, and the quick search window will pop up. You can also first select the text you want to search for and then press the keybind. And this way is faster. And in this window, you can open a file or see the search in the search panel. Alright, that was it. But hey, what search methods do you use? Leave me a response in the comments. I do read them all. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my VS Code playlist for more tutorials. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.